Hi friends, here I am going to show you a quick demonstration on how to draw a wash basin using sheet metal and CATIA V5. First of all, you have to switch over to mechanical design and generative sheet metal design. Oops. Then you have to set the sheet metal parameters. This time I have to switch it over from inches to mm. Go to tools, options, parameters, units, length. That you have to modify it to millimeter. Click OK. And now you can find these things in mm. Thickness. Usually the thickness of sheet metal will be ranging from I think 1 to 8 or more than 12, and it doesn't matter, but the bend radius must given equivalent to that by some calculations. So we are setting this as default value and you can change it at any time. Click OK. You have to draw the base for the sheet metal base wall. uh, just draw a rectangle, so whatever the size may be. Bring it to the window and click this one. It will create a wall of the thickness which you mentioned there as 2 mm, and just click OK. You can find the wall here, and then we have to use this tool named create a surface stamp, and by using that you have mm, to mention a profile here. uh, Go back, give some height 20, preview. Okay, now we can get this thing. You can edit this thing using this. Oops. Can reduce this radius to okay. I think this modification is okay for us. Then create bead. You can see here it comes as creates a bead. Profile selected. Oops. Just create a new one. Click here for the profile. Actually the bead have to draw in this back side. Just put a line here. Exit the sketch. can find a projection over here. If you give this preview, you can find this how big it is. So this reduces 0.3, not exactly 0.6, just divided by 0.6. Just give preview. Somewhat okay, I think. Uh, okay. Edit the sketch. I think it will be okay. Okay. Then use this pattern command to pattern this thing. I mean the bead. Increase the what you have to select the reference element. That means the direction towards where it's patterned. Click this arrow to invert the pattern. Oops, it's selecting the entire wall, I think. So cancel this thing, select this bead and then select this pattern. Click the reference element, click this arrow to inverse it, and the spacing here is listed as 20 mm. Just make it as 5. It's too small, just make it as 7.5, and I think it's okay. Just increase this instances as you like. Just give it as it's fine. Okay. Second direction nothing but it will pattern it the same thing down. Click this as your reference element. Oops, I think it's wrong. Reference element. Okay, select this thing and instances, it will be okay, and preview. I think it's not patterned down. How to do it one more time, I think. Close this second one, all three. Two, increase this thing up to where you need it. Just move it till the end. Hit a preview, click OK. That's all. then how to create few flanges. I would like to prefer this one, this thing, but how to decrease this length, also this radius. I just deactivated it to make it more flexible for my solution. Remember this thing, you have to do it for all these four sides to make it good. I think it's done, and it's time to make a flange cutout here. It's flange hole. Just by guessing, place this hole at the center. Just click it. Take a preview. Oops, it's too big. It's gonna be good. And reduce this diameter. I think this height, radius and angle will be having an inner relationship, and if you change it, make it errors. How to change it with respect to some values, I think. Only with known factors you can do it. Radius. See, if I change this, I will get an error. So just keep it as default. You can just change only this major diameter, or you can switch over it here to change the respective other parameters. Click OK. Put it without shade. Somewhat similar, just like a toy. Not the matter. Learning is the thing. And just place this material to this product. I think it's not added. Place this to this part. Yes, it's added. Click apply material, click OK. Let us render this. Click this thing. Search for something which looks great in indoor. I will prefer this thing, kitchen. Done. Okay, it's better to use this. Stretch this image. Change this render style to perspective. I think it's better to make it big. lighting settings, refractivity, you can change this. I'm not playing around these things, just switching it over and keep this thing as it is. If you change this value, it will take a lot more time to render, and the quality will be good if you change this value. I'll be switching it to screen size resolution, and using this thing you can select a particular area towards, and this thing which is inside this selected area will only render, and remaining things are what remains the same. And if you are not using this, the entire screen will be rendering, and click this, it will start rendering. Oops. It will be taking 6 minutes. Faster. Can find the shadows, reflections, refractions, everything here. Only because we set that refractive value a little bit higher, you can get this thing much clearer here. CATIA makes render quite easy and it looks professional if you know these few settings. The background photo mainly affects the color of the part you made, because due to the reflections. Yes, it's finished. Save this. Let's change this thing. Okay, to desktop. We're going to select this, only this thing, render. You can see the real color of aluminum here. It looks much real here. It's look pretty decent. Okay guys, in the next tutorial I'll be explaining, demonstrating you about how to make a analysis over this part using generative structural analysis.